Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to create a Python file. So if you follow the tutorial on how to install Python on your computer, you'll have Visual Studio Code already installed. So once you get Visual Studio installed, just go ahead and open it and then click here on New File. And then down at the bottom, you want to tell the editor what type of file you're going to be using. So you can either scroll down or you can just type in Python and then click Python, and then this will let you know that you are using Python. And then in order to be able to run the file, you're going to have to save it onto your computer. So just click File, Save, and then save it wherever you can find it later. And that is how to create a Python file.